I can't seem to get enough monitor real estate, partly due to not remembering how to use the Alt-Tab function, plus I do like to be able to see everything while I am working. It's just an old habit. Currently I am using dual 34-inch ultra-wides at a 21:9 ratio, plus a laptop screen. My ever-growing number of advanced steel toolbars, pallets, custom pallets, plug-in pallets continue to eat away at my on-screen workspaces. I looked into the option to go into the world of super ultra-wides like the curved Samsung 49-inch monitors. A couple of things put me off. The curve seemed to pick up light reflections, and it had a real letterbox feel with it being so long and narrow with its 32:9 ratio. For my new build, I've chosen to go with a 3-monitor setup, one 43-inch and 2 vertical 27-inch displays. For my main monitor, I've selected the Dell 43-inch Ultra Sharp 4K with a 16:9 ratio. This monitor has a horizontal screen length of 960mm, but more importantly, in my opinion, it has a vertical screen dimension of 560mm, which is almost double the vertical dimension on my existing 34-inch ultra-wides. This is the display real estate that I hope to really take advantage of by using the new Power Toys feature in Windows 11 called Fancy Zones. This feature should allow me to customize my 43-inch screen to optimize workspace zones. This is a 4K monitor running at 60 Hz, good for CAD work, but unlikely to satisfy gamers looking to run blazing 4K resolutions at 144 Hz. The 16:9 ratio was important as this helps for screen sharing when on video meetings or running remote software tutorial classes. The Dell 43-inch monitor is a DisplayPort monitor which matches my NVIDIA RTX A4000 video card, which has 4 display ports. It has additional ports for HDMI and 2 USB-C ports, which will come in handy. It has built-in speakers, so that will save me having to run additional cables for those, plus a power source via a 90-watt USB-C port that could be used to charge a phone, laptop or tablet. The 2 vertical side monitors I've selected are 4K 27-inch monitors from the Dell P series. These have an ultra thin screen bezel, so it should work well in a portrait orientation. These are also DisplayPort monitors running at 4K at 60 Hz, again in the magic ratio of 16:9. These Dell 27-inch monitors are compatible with the Dell MSA20 monitor arms. Now that I have selected a giant 43-inch screen as my main monitor, I'm short of desk space, so to gain back some desk real estate by using monitor arms is the plan, rather than buying a larger desk. I've never run vertical monitors in the past, so it will be interesting to see whether both stay in that orientation or one or both end up back in the traditional landscape position. Time will tell. Well, aren't cables an interesting and complex topic? All cables are equal, but some cables are more equal than others. It is such a complex area that I am considering doing a separate episode just on cables. After my recent discovery of what an active cable actually does for converting DisplayPort to HDMI signals, I was armed with far more knowledge when it came time to selecting cables for AB. After looking into cables and getting dodgy advice from my friends at Hardly Normal, I have found a reliable source of quality cables and adapters. My supplier of choice for this build was Lindy Cables, and more specifically the Anthra line of cables. Not only do they supply quality cables, their phone support service has been top shelf. Some key finds regarding cables. DisplayPort cables versions 1.2 are good for 4K at 60 Hz, which matches my monitors. HDMI 2.0 can handle 4K at 60 Hz. USB-C over 3 meters needs to be an active cable, and I can tell you they are not cheap. Keep an eye out for future videos on this channel that will go deeper into cable specifications. Everyone has been doing plenty of video meetings in the past 2 years, so webcams deserve some attention. Coming from a mobile workstation, I didn't have a dedicated webcam, and older laptop webcams aren't great, which I didn't realise until someone kindly told me one day that my image at their end was dark and pretty ordinary. For that reason, I have selected the Logitech 920E webcam, specifically due to its ability to provide a decent video image in low light, which it seems my office has. The 920E is also a 1080p camera, so this should offer a decent resolution for any of my future video tutorials. I have kept my old Logitech MK850 keyboard, which I've been using now for around 6 years and still comfortable using. However, I have decided to give the 3D Connection wireless space mouse and CAD mouse another crack. I am aware of the issues that the space mouse has with interfacing with advanced steel. However, in the interest of giving it another chance, and in the hope that Autodesk and 3D Connection can eventually find a way to hold hands and play nice, we might at some point have a fully functional 3D space mouse, which would be a welcome change. I have also kept my old Rode USB NT microphone. It still performs very well for a basic USB mic. For speakers, I will wait to see whether the speakers on the new 43-inch Dell monitor cut the mustard. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Also, click the like and the subscribe buttons below. Leave us a comment if you have any questions about advanced steel, or if there are specific topics you would like us to cover. And remember, if your job's worth doing, it's worth doing right.